Lucas was just another broke student from Brazil. No job, no stable income, and rent overdue. One late night, while scrolling through YouTube, he found something unexpected. A video claiming he could earn with AppLovin, without even making a real app. He followed the steps, downloaded a dummy app template, filled in a clean registration form, and submitted for approval. He waited for 48 hours, not expecting much. But then, the email arrived. His AppLovin account was approved. With some traffic and impressions, he earned $12 on day 1. By day 3, it crossed $70. By day 7, over $300. Now, Lucas is scaling up. More accounts, smarter traffic, passive income. This is not fiction, it's strategy. Want to learn the full step-by-step method? Subscribe now. The next video will show you how.